have the audio as like I will actually through the lessons if I get it. Like I'll actually play the audio, and then I've got to get the answers. All the answers to the questions are out of that. But obviously you'll be teaching face to face on the internet. There's other things you can slip in there and stuff like that too.
Okay. Where do we
Okay.
go?
Hello class, can you hear me? Oh, they can hear me. Okay. Today we are doing converting percents to decimals and back. Percent means per 100. So 50% means 50 per 100, or as a fraction, 50 over 100. To convert percentages to decimals, remove the percent sign and divide by 100. Right here we can see 50%. First you remove the percent sign, then you have 50 over 100, and that's simple division, 0.50. You express the fraction as a decimal. 87%, remove the percent sign, 87 over 100 equals 0.87. Remember, for division, you just see how many times 100 can go into 50. You can also move the decimal point 2 places to the left and remove the percent sign. This is a quicker way to do percents. Since you know it's over 100, you just move the point, should not press that. You just move the decimal point that would be at the end 2 places for the 100 that you're dividing by, and the decimal point is now at the front. So 87% would be 87 period for the point, and then when you divide it by 100, you move this 2 spots over, giving you 0.87. Go ahead and calculate the decimal equivalents for these percentages. So first, 10%. Go ahead and type me what the answer to 10% would be. Perfect. 0.1. Oh, Tang, you are ahead of me. So 100% is correct. It is 1.0. 155% is 1.55, and 2% is 0.02. In all of these, all we did was move the decimal 2 spots. So when you have a number, you know the decimal point is at the end of the number. So for 155, the decimal point is at the end. So we move it 2 spots over, and that is the decimal of the percent, 1.55. For 2, the decimal point is right there at the end. Move it 2 spots over. It is now right there, and you add a 0, 0.02. Good job, Tangi. Name is. Calculate these decimal equivalents for these percentages. Oh, we already did this. Oh, I'm sorry, these are the same practice problems we just did. These are the answers. There we go. Now you can see the work. 10% equals 10 over 100. 100% is 100 over 100. 155 is 155 over 100. 2 is 2 over 100. The way that we just went over was if you just wanted to move the decimal points and not do the fraction. That is the other way you could have solved these. When we use the term percent, we are talking about the percent of some number. The percent is then taken away from the price of the item if the item is discounted. The percent is added to the price if it is a markup, such as tax or commission. So percent is the general term that we are using to refer to a number. If the percent is being taken away, it is called discount. It is discounted. If a percent is added, it is a markup. So it is either tax or commission. We'll go over those two examples. The shoes are 20% off. What does that mean? Is the price higher or lower? If it says the shoes are 20% off, does that mean that the price is going to be higher or lower than the original? Correct. The price will be lower. So if the shoes were $100, they are 20% off. That means you subtract 20%. 20% of 100 is 20. So the final price is $80. The final price after 20% is taken off is lower than the original. If the shoes are $70 and it is 20% off, how much will you have to pay for them? What is a 20% of $70? If anybody knows the answer, go ahead and type it. That's perfect, Tan. 20 over 100 times 70 equals 14. Perfect. So 20% of 70 is 14. How much will you have to pay for them? How much will the shoes cost after that 20% is taken away? If the original price is 70, we know that 20% of 70 is $14. You just go ahead and subtract that, and you are both correct. The final answer will be $56. Calculate a decimal for the percentage. 20% equals 20 over 100 equals 0.20. The shoes are 20% off of the original price. $70 times 20% equals 70 times 0.20. That is $14. Now subtract the amount from the selling price. So 70 minus 14 gives us 56. You have to pay $56 for the shoes. You save $14 with the 20% discount. Go ahead and calculate the discounts and sale prices and answer the questions. So here's shoes. The original price is 70. Percent off is 10%. Socks, $6, 30% off. Hat, $8, 25% off. Bag, $1, 50% off. Book, $12, 80% off. So go ahead and do the shoes right now. 10% off $70 shoes. What is the amount discount and what is the final price? Perfect. The amount discount, $70 at 10%, that is 70 times 0.1. The amount discount is $7. The final price is 70 minus 7 for the amount discount, giving a final price of 63. Now socks. Original price $6, percent off 30%. What is the amount discount? What is the final price? Perfect. So it is 6 times 0.3, giving us a discount of 1.8. Now for the price, we see it is 6. Now subtract the amount discount for that 30%, giving us an answer of $4.20. Now for number 3, the hat. The original price is $8. It is a 25% off. What is the amount discount? Perfect. It is 8 times 0.25. That gives us a $2 discount. Now the final price. Yes, 6. It is 8, the original price, minus the percent off. The amount discount was 2, giving us a final price of 6. Now the bag. It is $1 with 50% off. What is the amount discount? That was very quick. It is 50 cents. So it's $1 times 0.5 leaves us with 50 cents. And the price is the original $1 minus the discount of 50 cents, giving us a final price also of 50 cents. Good. Now the last one, the book. The original price is $12. It is 80% off. What is the amount discount? So the amount discount, correct, $9.60. $12 times 0.8 gives us a discount of $9.60. The price is going to be the original price minus the discount. So $12 minus $9.60. Perfect. $2.40 will be the final price. Here are the final answers. How much total have you saved with the discounts? So you want to add up the amount discounts. So we have 14 here, plus $1.80, plus 2, plus 50, plus $9.60. So we have 60 cents, plus 50 cents, $1.10. You have 0 right there. 6 plus 5 is 11. Plus 8 is 9. So we have 9, carry the 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. $27.90. A movie ticket at Major Cineplex is $18. On Tuesday, they offer a 15% discount. You hold a membership card so you can claim another 10% off. How much do you have to pay for the ticket? How much will you pay for that ticket? Okay, so what we have is we have $18 for the original ticket. They are offering a 15% discount. So 18 times 0.15. 18 times 0.15 is... Can anybody type me what 18 times 0.15 is? Two. Perfect. 2.70. So with the 15% discount, it is $18 minus 2.70, giving us $15.30. Perfect. You hold a membership card, so you can claim another 10% off. How much will you have to pay? So, now the price is $15.30. You get another 10% off, so you multiply that by another 10. So 15.3 times 0.1 equals... Can anyone tell me what 15.3 times 1.10 is? It is 1.53. 15.30 times 0.10 equals 1.53. So this is your 10% discount after your 0.15, after your 15% discount. Now we subtract this from this ticket price. You get another $1.53 off. Perfect. Giving us the final answer of $13.77. Your movie ticket price is $13.77. Are there any questions on that? Okay, I will move on. Here we have the equation. 18 times 15% is 18.15 is $2.70. The new price is $15.30. $15.30 times 10%, $1.53. 15.3 minus $1.53, 13.77. figuring markups. The store's asking price isn't really that final price. We have to pay sales tax. When we add something onto a cost, it's called a markup or an increase. For example, our sales tax is the markup. A new iPad costs $600. If there's a tax rate of 7%, how much do you have to spend to get the iPad? So what that means is that for what you spend, there's a 7% increase in the price that you will have to pay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply the cost of the iPad, $600, times the tax rate. So at 7%, that is 0.07. What is 600 times 0.07? Yes, that's correct. 7 over 100 times 600 will also give you the same answer. Correct. The answer is 42. So, $42 is the tax rate for this iPad. Because it is a tax rate, it is a markup, you add that to the final price. So 600 plus 42 gives us the final price after sales tax of $642. Now, so Tan, Sen, you would subtract it if it was asking for a discount. If it said there was a 7% discount, you would subtract, but because it's a tax rate, it is a markup. You are adding that price on to the original. Okay, are there any questions? Okay, we will continue. Here's the work for that. The sales tax, 7%, 7 over 100, 0.07, 42, final price. Pretty dress. Jenny wants to buy a dress that has a price tag of 85%. If the sales tax rate is 8%, how much does she have to pay for the dress? What is the total price of the dress, including sales tax? Go ahead and type your answer when you know.
ตอบสิเร็วตอบใครตอบพี่เต้ให้คะแนนนะใครเอาพอยต์บ้างเร็วแป๊บ
Oh, you know my name. Correct, Sen. That will give you what that 8% sales tax is.
เดี๋ยวให้ได้
Yes, Tan, that 6.8 will be that 8% sales tax. How much does she have to pay for the dress? We want the total price. Yes, perfect. 85 plus the 6.8 gives us a total of $91.80. Perfect. the total price
เอาไปเลย
is the sales tax, which is $6.80, $6.80, 85, which was the original. Add them together, $91.80. Perfect, class. There's the work that you just did. First you find the sales tax, which is $6.80. Then you add the original price with the sales tax. The net price of Oishi Buffet is 300 baht per person. The VAT is 7%. How much would you have to pay for one person? So the net price of Oishi Buffet is 300 baht. The original price. The VAT is 7%. We want to know the total price. Perfect. The first thing you do, Tan, you are correct, is you find what the VAT is. So you do 30 times 7%. 300, I'm sorry, 300 times 7%. Correct. That does equal 21. So the VAT is 21 baht. And Tan, you are correct. So are you, Sen. To find the total price, you take the original, which is 300 baht, plus the VAT, 21 baht, add them together to get 321 baht. Correct. $300 times 7% is 21 baht. The final price is 321 baht. Commissions. The money a salesperson earns every time he makes a sale is called a commission. So every time a salesperson sells you something, this is the money they earn. Jana is a real estate agent who receives a commission of 6% of the selling price of each house she sells. If she can sell the house for $70,000, how much commission will she make? She will make 6% of the selling price of each house she sells. How much commission will she make off of a house for $70,000? For this, what we would do is you see that she makes 6% for the selling price. 70,000 is the selling price. We want to know what 6% of 70,000 is. 70,000 times 6% is either 6 over 100 or 0.06. Sen and Mean, you are correct. So what we want to do is 70,000 times 6%. This gives us, all three of you are correct, 4,200. Now Tan, you do not want to add these numbers. This is the final answer. Because she's receiving a commission, she only receives 6% of the selling price. She does not gain the selling price and 6%. She only receives the 6% of the selling price. Her final pay is $4,200. Do you understand? With commissions, you do not want to either add or subtract this number. This final number is only going to tell you what percent they are taking. They take 6% of $70,000. So if she sells a $70,000 house, she will make $4,200. Are there any questions? Yes, this 42. Whoa, what happened here? So 6% equals 6 over 100. No. Oh, we can go back. Okay, so again. Oh. This number is a typo. There is not a 0 right here. The answer is 4,200. 6%, 6 over 100, 0.06. Multiply the total price by the 6%, 4,200. That is all she earns. 6% of the selling price. If it said 6% and the selling price, then she would earn $70,000 plus 4,200. But it doesn't. It says 6% of the selling price. Okay, everyone, I would like you to practice with this question. Cindy makes $10,000 a month plus some money by commission rates. She gets 9% of everything she sells. If Cindy sold $20,000 worth of items this month, what is her salary? Oh. So she makes 9% commission. Yes, Sen. That is the correct place to start. Correct. Now, what is her salary for the month? Go ahead and pay attention to what I'm boxing right there. Perfect. The answer is $11,800. Correct, Zen. Let me go ahead and show you why. So, Cindy makes $10,000 a month. This is Cindy's salary. Plus some money by commission rates. She gets 9% of everything she sells. Plus 9% of everything she sells. If Cindy sold $20,000 worth of items this month, so she gets 9% times 20,000, which you are all correct, equals 1,800. Her commission is 1,800. Her salary is 10,000. Her final salary is 11,800. You are correct, Sen. Cindy makes $10,000 a month. That is her salary. She also makes 9% of what she sells. So 9% times 20,000. So the first thing you do is find that commission. It was 1,800. Add it to her monthly salary, and it comes with 11,800. Here's the breakdown again. Commission rate, 9%. Salary from commission, 20,000 times 9 over 100, or 0.09, equals 1,800. Total salary, base salary plus commission, 10,000 plus 1,800, 11,800. Okay, are there any questions? Anything you would like me to go back over?
มีคำถามอะไรเร็ว มีคำถามอะไรไหม ถามเลย ไม่เข้าใจคำศัพท์อะไร ถามกูไหมเร็วหืมมีเปล่า มีเปล่า เข้าใจหมดค่ะ เจ๋งจังเลย
Okay, perfect. We can go ahead and take a brief break.
โอเค เดี๋ยวกูไม่ได้พัก แล้วเดี๋ยวเลขม.2 ต่อ thank you thank you โอเคนะครับน้องๆประชดเหรอ ไม่แน่ใจนะ โอเค ครับ ต่อ เดี๋ยวต่อม.2 นะครับ
Thank you, class.
There's a really obvious typo